Hi guys, now we'll discuss about area charts in this session. These area charts are very simple and very useful because these are single data visualization charts. We'll create these kind of charts very easily and will understand very quickly. These charts commonly used for showing changes in data composition over time. These area charts you can create in different ways, and you can observe one chart bottom of the page. That is a common area chart. It is overlapping the data series. You can observe there is a data, it is overlapping, and you can create another chart like stacked area chart. It is just like a stacked column chart. We'll create the stacked area charts and 100% stacked area charts also. Few examples are sales by department by month and percentage of total downloads by browser by week, population by continent by decade. And here some of pro tips are there. First one is keep the number of unique categories relatively low, that is less than 6, so that will maintain clarity in the area charts. And the second one, this we'll use in the next demos. We'll use data validation and custom formatting to dynamically highlight a specific sizes of data and data series in the area charts. Now we'll see how to create different kind of area charts by using real-time data. See friends, there is a data 2019 ticket sales. Already we used this data for column charts and line charts previously. So now also we'll create area charts by using this data. So there is a two data series. We'll use this data to create the area charts. First we'll select the data, movie genre, and go to the insert tab, charts group, and go to here the line charts. There are area charts. Okay, this is a normal basic area chart and stacked area chart, 100% stacked area chart. You can choose any chart, any area chart here. So just I'm creating a basic area chart. Look at there. Now just we got the area chart overlapping the series because it is showing this comedy till June, July we cannot see because it is overlapping by thriller from the July, August onwards. Now if you wanted to see properly, we'll do format for this. Just right click, format data series, select this, go to the fill color, fill, solid fill, just will select and transparency. Just look at there, I'm increasing the transparency. And this one also, solid fill, will fill with other color, transparency. Look at there. After doing this formatting also, we cannot see this area chart properly. So it is a little bit difficult to understand this area chart if you are taking default normal area chart because it is overlapping the series. So that's why this kind of chart it is not recommended to use. So just select this, delete it. Again just go to the insert line and area charts, select this stacked area chart. Look at there. We'll give the name ticket sales by genre by month. Ticket sales by genre by month. Now see there is a data, it is showing different formats. See first one is comedy, thriller, documentary, romance. See normally what is the use of this chart is it is showing individually. Comedy, thriller, documentary, this series data showing in individually, and at the end that complete data it is showing how much it is. Mix of all the series, all the genres data it is showing at the top of the chart. So this is a very useful chart and it's very clear. Now just we'll do copy and paste. Just we'll share another chart. Just I'm doing copy and paste with other chart. Now this chart will change. Just select this, go to the design tab, change chart type Look at there. So we are changing into the 100% stacked area. Then say OK. Friends, look at there. So this 100% stacked area chart also same like that normal area chart. Now you can ask, what is the main difference between this stacked area chart and 100% stacked area chart? But there is no much difference between these two charts. But this 100% stacked area chart same like as a 100% column chart. We'll see. For example, just select this, copy and paste. Now I'm changing this chart. Go to the design tab, change the chart type. Just go to the column chart. Here I'm selecting 100% stacked column. Okay. Look at there. But in this 100% stacked column charts, there is a gap between the data series. Look at there. Just select this, go to the format data series. We'll reduce this gap width to 0. Look at there. So these both two charts looking like same. Look at there. These both charts, 100% stacked area chart and 100% stacked column chart looking both are same. See what is the difference? These 100% stacked area charts are looking very soft comparing with this column charts. So just if I'm reducing this gap width to 0, then you can observe two charts are looking like same. Now just select this, delete it. So like this just will create the area charts in the Excel. You can create normal common area charts and 100% stacked area chart and stacked area charts also.